This is 5th grade social studies, week 28, the Constitution. This is your test. There are no written out questions for this test. Almost all of them are multiple choice. The last 6, I believe, are true and false. Of the multiple choice, there are a handful that have multiple answers. Circle all of the correct answers. Please remember to put your name at the top of the page, and we will get started. Number 1. The philosophers of enlightenment believed which of the following? They were concerned that the laws and powers of government can inhibit the rights of the people. B. They created a government that protected the rights of the people by limiting the powers of those in charge. C. They believed that the people had certain unalienable rights. Or D. All of the above. Number 2. What is being practiced when people from each side try to peacefully persuade people from the other side? A. Civil discourse. B. Civil disobedience. Or C. Rioting. And I intentionally did not give you a third option on that one, so don't freak out. It's just A, B, and C. Number 3. By using the words, "we the people," in the preamble of the Constitution, the writers of the Constitution give direct power to who? A. The President. B. King George III. C. Themselves. Or D. To the U.S. citizens. This one you can find on the very front page of your article. Number 4. According to Article 5, what portion of both houses are required to propose an amendment? A. 2/3. B. 4/5. C. Half. Or D. 3/4. You will look for the section for Article 5 for that information. Number 5. Which article of the Constitution discusses the executive or the president branch? Article 1, Article 2, Article 3, or Article 4? Number 6. According to Article 1, Section 3, and that means you need to find Article 1, Section 3, and that will give you this information. It will give you this answer. How many senators can each state have? 4, 2, 1, or 10? Number 7. The Constitution consists of A. 1 preamble, 20 articles, and 105 amendments. B. 2 preambles, 5 articles, and 15 amendments. C. 1 preamble, 7 articles, and 27 amendments. Or D. 1 preamble, 10 articles, and 37 amendments. You will find that information in the middle, on the left-hand side of your newspaper, on the inside. Number 8. The purpose of the Articles of the Constitution is to do what? A. To make sure the senators keep all the power. B. To lay out the 3 branches of government and the rules for each branch. C. To bore all 5th graders into exhaustion. Or D. Make things much more complicated than they needed to be. And just a hint, 2 of those are completely wrong. Number 9. Article 1, Section 1, so that's where you need to look to find this information, organizes the elected representatives into how many houses? 2, 3, 5, or 7? Number 10. According to Article 1, Section 2, what is the minimum age of an elected member of the House of Representatives? 30 years old, 15 years old, 25 years old, or 40 years old? Number 11. According to Article 1, Section 2, which House has the sole power to impeach someone? A. The House of Representatives, or B. The Senate? And again, there's intentionally only 2 options because you only have 2 options. Number 12. What does it mean to impeach someone? A. to give them a bunch of peaches as a gift, B, to investigate or challenge any person that they don't like, C, to investigate or challenge a member of a government, or D, to encourage people to revolt. Number 13. According to Article 1, Section 3, who is president or who is in charge of the Senate? A, the President of the United States, B, the Vice President of the United States, C, anyone can become President of the Senate, or D, the Supreme Court judges. Number 14. According to Article 1, Section 4, who is responsible for the military? The Army, the Navy, Marines, etc. A, just the House of Representatives, B, just the Senate, C, both the House of Representatives and the Senate, also known as Congress, or D, the President of the United States. Number 15. According to Article 2, Section 1, what is the minimum age of a person elected to be president? 40 years old, 30 years old, 50 years old, or 35 years old? Number 16. According to Article 2, Section 3, what is the president required to do? A, give information on the military to the Congress. B, give information on the education system to the Congress. C, give information on the state of the union or how the country is doing to the Congress. Or D, give information on his own personal health to the Congress. Number 17. According to Article 2, Section 4, the President, the Vice President, and all civil officers shall be removed from office or fired from their jobs because of which of the following? A, treason, B, bribery, C, high crimes and misdemeanors, or D, all of the above. Number 18. According to Article 3, Section 3, treason is defined as what? A, giving aid or help and comfort to enemies. B, waging war against the United States. C, forgetting to pay your personal taxes. Or D, driving above the speed limit. Number 19. Article 4 of the Constitution does what? A, it establishes which states can have slavery and which states cannot. B, it establishes how states relate to each other. C, it establishes how state governors are elected. Or D, it establishes which states can have a military and which cannot. Number 20. According to Article 4, Section 1, what kind of documents must be accepted by other states? A, documents typed on a computer. B, documents written in cursive. C, documents that are legal, like marriage certificates, birth certificates, etc. Or D, documents that are printed in red ink. Number 21. According to Article 4, Section 3, what can states expect from the government? A, to be protected from invasion or violence. B, to be taxed 4 times a year. C, to have the president tell them what to do. Or D, to be forced to give up their children every 25 years. Number 22. Article 5 of the Constitution provides a way for both houses, the Senate and the House of Representatives, to do what? A, come together, that's a typo, come together to argue about what to do. B, invade another country. C, take away the rights of a state. Or D, propose amendments or changes to the Constitution. Number 23. Since 1789, how many amendments have been proposed to Congress? 27, 33, 40, or 23? Number 24. Since 1789, how many amendments have been passed or ratified by Congress? 27, 33, 40, or 23? You will find the information for both 23 and 23 and 24 in Article 5. Number 25, we're going to switch to true and false. Article 6 said that no state can go against the Constitution. True or false? Number 26, Article 6 established the Constitution as the, quote, supreme law of the land. True or false? Number 27, 10 of the 13 states had to vote to approve the Constitution. True or false? Number 28, Kansas was the first state to ratify or approve the Constitution. True or false? Number 29, the writers of the Constitution looked to the ancient Greeks and ancient Romans for inspiration for the Constitution. True or false? And then our last one, number 30. A republic has citizens that elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf. True or false? When you get done, please go back and double check to make sure you have answered all of your questions. Make sure you double check to make sure your name is at the top. And then please turn in your test. Thank you very much.